1st August 2020. AIM launched AIM iCrest in partnership with Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and Wadhwani Foundation. Piyush Goyal inaugurates CII National Digital Conference on Easing of Doing Business for Atmanirbhar Bharat. Prakash Javadekar represents India in 6th BRICS Environment Ministers meeting. SIDBI TransUnion CIBIL launched financial knowledge platform MSME Saksham for MSMEs. Craft Silicon and PayU partnered to advance digital loan repayment. 2nd August 2020. The airbase on which 5 Rafale aircraft from France have been landing, Ambala Airbase. Indian origin writer whose novel Burnt Sugar has been included for the prestigious award Booker, Avni Doshi. Pakistan Cricket Board has reduced the ban of Pakistani batsman Umar Akmal to 18 months, 3 years. The Union Cabinet has recently approved a memorandum of understanding between India and the country on the cooperation in the field of traditional medicine and homeopathy. Zimbabwe. Bangladesh young fast bowler Kazi Anik Islam has been banned for as many years by the National Cricket Board for failing the dope test in 2018. 2 years. 3 August 2020. Nitin Gadkari inaugurated upstream carriageway of Mahatma Gandhi Bridge in Bihar. Narendra Singh Tomar released booklet on best practices in Digital India Land Records Modernization Program. MSME launched program under Gram Udyog Vikas Yojana to benefit artisans manufacturing agarbatti. Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri launches Arts Knowledge Packs and launches mobile app of Credai. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank launches India Report Digital Education June 2020, prepared by Department of School Education and Literacy. 4 August 2020. Nitin Gadkari approves the Khadi Agarbatti Atmanirbhar mission proposed by KVIC to generate employment and achieve Atmanirbhar Bharat. Union Minister of Health Harshvardhan completion of Pan-India 1000th genome sequencing of SARS-CoV-2. Grand finale of Smart India Hackathon 2020 launched by Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank virtually. Union Minister Harshvardhan launches Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan 2020-21. BOB Financial Solutions partnered with Innovati Payment to launch the new credit card EMI offering on POS terminal. 5 August 2020. MOD releases Draft Defense Production and Export Promotion Policy 2020 aimed at $5 billion export by 2025. IIT Kanpur and DAR and PG sign agreement with MOD for using AI ML to address grievances. Listed entities get 3 years to meet criteria of minimum 25% public shareholding. 4 more states, union territories linked with One Nation One Ration Card scheme, taking total to 24. For the first time in India, Railways uses NTC machine for track construction. 6th August 2020. Prahlad Singh Patel virtually inaugurated first golf course of Mizoram, Thanjol Golf Resort. EVIN to strengthen immunization supply chain reach 32 states and union territories. Uttarakhand to develop India's first snow leopard conservation center in Uttarkasi forest. Northern Railway runs the first ever Vyapar Mala Express train for small traders. 5 India contributed $15.46 million to India UN Development Partnership Fund of UNOSSC. Aditya Birla Health Insurance launches new services and products for COVID-19. 7 August 2020, India extended 18 million US dollar line of credit to Maldives for expansion of fishing facilities at MIFCO. UNES policy brief. Education during COVID-19 and beyond. Around 23.8 million children may drop out of school due to impacts of COVID-19. Airtel Payments Bank partnered with Bhartiya AXA General Insurance to offer Smart Plan Swap Package policy. Global remittances may lose $108.6 billion in 2020 ADB. Future Brand Index 2020. Reliance Industries ranked second biggest brand after Apple on top. 8 August 2020. India's first Kisan Rail flagged off from Devlali railway station of Maharashtra. PM Modi addresses conclave on transformational reforms in higher education under NEP. IBBI amended Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India Liquidation Process Regulations 2016. NHAI signs MOU with IIT Delhi strengthens data-driven decision making. First time in Indian Ocean region, UNESCO recognizes two coastal villages of Odisha as tsunami ready. August 2020. SN Rajeshwari has been appointed the chairman cum managing director of Oriental Insurance Company Limited. Engineering major AB India has opened a new robotics facility to support the digital transformation of manufacturing in India. Market regulator SEBI allowed listed companies to use digital signature certifications till December 31. Former Saurashtra coach and manager Hasmukh Bhai Joshi, popularly known as Baba Bhai Joshi, has passed away. He was 85. Queensland fast bowler Alistair McDermott has announced his retirement at the age of 29. August 2020. IIT Kharagpur researchers bag Gandhinian Young Technological Innovation Award 2020 for clean energy research. Government forms panel under road tap scheme for exporters to be headed by GK Pillai. Union Minister of Textiles Smriti Irani launches mobile app and backend website for handloom mark scheme. Delhi Airport develops Air Suvidha portal for all international arriving passengers across India. IIT Guwahati, in collaboration with Imperial College London, develops nanoparticle metagrid. 11 August 2020. PM Narendra Modi launched submarine cable connectivity to Andaman and Nicobar Island. PM launched financing facility of rupees 1 lakh crore under Agriculture Infrastructure Fund and rupees 70,000 crore as sixth installment of PM Kisan. Piyush Goyal and Prahlad Joshi dedicated the Railway Museum at Hubli to the nation over video conference. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh restricted import of 101 defence items. PM inaugurated Rashtriya Swachhta Kendra, launched Gandagi Mukt Bharat week-long campaign. 12 August 2020. Rajnath Singh launched DPSUs and OFBs modernization projects during Atmanirbhar Week, August 7 to 14, 2020. India Maldives inked contract for development of 5 ecotourism zones in Edu Atoll of Maldives under HICDP. Prakash Javadekar launched the booklet on best practices of human-elephant conflict management in India and beta version of Suraksha. Government abolished Cotton Advisory Board, notifies change in status of Textiles Research Associations. Union Minister of MSME Nitin Gadkari addressed India at 75 Summit Mission 2022 organized by CII. 13 August 2020. DAC approved procurement of approx rupees 8,722.38 crore for armed forces under Atmanirbhar Bharat. Narendra Singh Tomar launched Krishi Megh, KVC Elinet, an online accreditation system for agricultural institutions. MCA Secretary Rajesh Verma released report of the Committee on Business Responsibility Reporting BRR. Atal Innovation Mission in association with Dell Technologies launched the second edition of Student Entrepreneurship Program. MOTA, the 9 Tribal Freedom Fighters. Museums to recognize the tribal freedom fighters will be completed by 2022.